Hey, what you got there? Oh!
Got a windshield.
Look at the windshield.
She's a little bit rusty.
What are you talking about? It's not bad. Whoops. Oh, I'll break that off. Better put that back. Is that a piano hinge on the top, or what's the fucking deal there? What is that?
Yep.
Is that a hinge?
I think so. That's the hinge.
Yes, a little rotten. Oh, it's still a piece of steel here. A little bit of the fucking steel. Huh. Excellent. Now where are we going to put that? Where it's going to be safe?
I think it needs a new wiper blade. I might be wrong, but...
Alright, plenty of blade there. That's neat. Gotta find a place to put it now. Getting her down there. I'll be driving her by next weekend. Oh, yeah. What do you think, Bolt? You want to ride around in it? You'd fall right up the floor. Door not want to give it up. Oh. There goes the other door. There's wood up in here. I think this is all the original wood. Love that chicken wire headliner.
You think that was the original door hinge?
I doubt it.
Actually, there's a piece of the original door hinge in the middle one there, I think.
Square-headed bolts. Anyway, coming apart slowly.
Oh, that's the light switch.
Oh yeah, because the one that was supposed to be in the center there was not there.
Still got some wiring on it.
There's a body mount.
That's what that is over there. Okay.
Pretty high tech. It's not too bad. And the spare parts, rear bumper, brackets, and the rim. There's a little steering column. Steer box on the bottom, but the only parts look good. Nice. Oh, that's a nice roof. Maybe doing something different there. Maybe. Maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe, Bolt. Just maybe. You having a break? Thank you. Looking more like a hot rod already. No more windshield. No more tin roof. Just open air chicken wire. Look at that wood though. It amazes me how good the wood actually is that's left in here. Yeah. Back when it's good. All the wood around there. What's left of the wood in that back part of that fucking sedan or whatever it was. I think it's the same era of vehicle, it's just the back of a sedan.
Oh, there we go.
Cool. It's a pretty nice shape too, really.
Yeah, just the corners are, well, not that it's solid. Even that flange.
They fucked with it to make it fit right, or
maybe. But if you had to add a flange to that, you could.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Nice. in front of that. Underneath. Not too bad at all. Look at that. Pretty weird ass shit going on up here. That's is there bolts in through there? I've only seen some bolts on the inside here. I don't know if that's the original wood or not, but it sure fits right. Got some mint curves. Yeah, it's nailed. Nailed all along there. Fucking shit. Ugh, fucking gross shit that's been in between there. Oh, maybe that is part of the original. That's part of the original material. Yeah, I don't know. Pretty freaky. Look at that, it's almost like there's no paint still on there. Sweet. She's a weapon. Here's some vice grips. No. Yes, no.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Break that precious mirror. Get on here. Baga you. Yeah. Holy shit, they knew how to make them in the day. Henry had a good control on his quality control. Ooh, look at there. Cool. A little bit of mirror left in the center. Yep. Wonderful. There's a mirror. Far out patio. Working towards getting the cowl unfastened from the wood in the roof. They're all separate. It's all nailed. Ooh, shitty. Yeah, can't see a thing.
The box end don't work on the square ones.
No? Hey, you broke my truck. There's the front header panel out of there. And now the cowl is free from the rest of it. Very interesting. Still pretty solid for being 81 years old. Hey, Bull. Yeah. It's a pretty good piece of metal, really. I'm impressed.
Whoa.
What happened? Oh. She's a little flimsy now. Huh. How far is it? Does it go that far and just stay there, or is it going to go?
Well, I don't want.
Oh, we don't want it to go back. I'll have to get something prop that up.
Well,
till we can get it off of there.
Lift that one up so it goes over top of the. She was kind of stuck on there.
Huh.
There's nails in it.
I have to put a clamp or something just to hold it to. Oop.
Actually, you know what? We got the custom door locks.
Yeah, we can take those off here. Yeah. She.
We'll just
just do a little cinching. You broke my truck, you bastard!
I'm a poor bastard.
You poor bastard. Hey, I mean, I'm the poor bastard. Looky there. It's the cowl sitting there. There's, well, what do you do? What do you do? There's the chicken wire sunroof. Oh, wow, yeah, look at that. Far out. New sheriff in town. Yeah, so I guess if we can't find a number on the frame, it's a Canadian one. And if there is a number on the frame, it's a US one. But I think he said this was built down by St. Catharines or somewhere. Or not St. Catharines, down by Windsor. I don't know. Oh! Hood's off. Linda chopped her fingers off in process. And now it really looks like a hot rod. Wow! Pretty darn cool. Here's the back of the fuel gauge, we think. Not sure about that. I'm gonna pay more attention what they look like. And there's the tank right there. Right there. Yeah, look at that thing. The trip even still works.